This movie studio is too big for the both of us, DJ Grooves. The movie should be made by real birds. You moon penguins are just going around some loud, noisy drive. If I wanted a bunch of picnics to dance around on birdseed, I'd visit me grandchildren.
Nonsense, darling, nonsense. You Owl Express birds are just going to record another boring train-related western. You've done so for the last 10 years, darling.
Good. What? No, we haven't, you buffoon.
Conductor, darling, this year we'll be winning the annual Bird Movie Award, as our new movie props will be bringing in the audience. These shiny things fell from the sky. They will light our movie and sets and fill them with glimmer.
Oh, yeah? Well, this time around, we're also spicing it up with our new movie props. These hourglass thingies will be the grand jewel in our train haste western. What do you want? You no good dirty picnics. You copied our props.
I would never, darling. Clearly you're the one who took inspiration in my flashy new props.
That does it. Get out of here with your I got a movie to record.
Fine by me, darling, but we'll be the ones to win the annual Bird Movie Award. Mark my word.
Oh yeah, let's see how well you do when you can't even get into the reception. Wait, shutting the picnics inside the studio forced them to work harder. Alright, time to go, owls. Let's make our killer movie. Oh, and a receptionist, can you please close the door of that thing already? I don't want the smell of penguin coming anywhere near my crew.